Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to add a video title and description language in YouTube on your PC. Adding the right language to your video helps reach a wider audience. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Click on Content. Navigate to the Content section, where you can manage and edit your uploaded videos. Step 3. Select the video you want. Choose the specific video for which you want to add a title and description language. Step 4. Click on Details. Once you've selected the video, click on the Details tab to access its settings and information. Step 5. Click on Show More. Expand the options by clicking on the Show More button. Step 6. Under Language and Caption Certification, click on Title and Description Language. Scroll down to the Language and Caption Certification section and click on the Title and Description Language option. By following these steps, you can easily add a video title and description language in YouTube on your PC. This will help optimize your video's discoverability and reach. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you next time.